Utilizing whitespace, enhancing your English communication. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting aspect of English communication that often goes unnoticed but plays a crucial role in enhancing clarity and effectiveness. We're talking about utilizing whitespace. Whether in writing, presentations, or even in web design, understanding how to use whitespace can significantly improve your ability to convey messages clearly. Let's explore this concept together and learn how to apply it in various contexts. Whitespace, often referred to as negative space, is the unmarked space between elements in a composition. It's not just empty space. It's a powerful tool for organizing content and guiding the reader's eye through your text or design. In written English, whitespace includes spaces between words, lines, paragraphs, and any area on a page devoid of text or images. Utilizing whitespace effectively can transform your communication, making it more readable and appealing. Here's why whitespace is so important. Improves readability. Adequate spacing between lines and paragraphs breaks down text into manageable chunks, making it easier to read and understand. Focuses attention. By isolating pieces of information, whitespace helps to highlight what's important, directing readers' attention to where it's most needed. Enhances design. In visual materials, such as slides or websites, whitespace contributes to a clean and professional look, making your content more engaging. Applying whitespace in your writing involves more than just hitting the spacebar. Here are some tips. Paragraph spacing. Use short paragraphs with clear spaces between them to break up text. This approach makes your writing more digestible. Line spacing. Adequate line spacing, e.g., 1.5 spacing, ensures that your text is comfortable to read, preventing the content from appearing cramped. Margins and padding. In documents and presentations, ensure there are generous margins and padding around the text. This not only makes your content look more attractive but also improves readability. In the digital realm, whitespace is equally crucial. Whether designing a website, creating a PowerPoint presentation, or formatting an email, consider the following. Consistent spacing. Ensure consistent use of space between elements across your digital platforms to maintain a professional and coherent look. Visual hierarchy. Use whitespace to create a visual hierarchy, emphasizing the most critical parts of your message. Balance. While whitespace is beneficial, too much can make content seem sparse. Aim for a balance that enhances readability without diluting your message. Thank you for joining me and exploring how to utilize whitespace to improve your English communication. Remember, whitespace is not just about creating empty spaces. It's about making your content more accessible, engaging, and professional. Whether you're writing an essay, designing a presentation, or crafting a website, thoughtful application of whitespace can significantly impact your audience's experience. Happy writing, designing, and communicating!